Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve search bar is not working and the settings up in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, it is a critical and useful applications on your computer that can be used to manage and modify some computer settings to optimize the device or fix errors. The built-in search functions can also help you quickly and accurately find the settings you need. And then I'll show you how to fix that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung command keyword na apps. Ayan, so apps lang yung itatype mo dyan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or itap mo lang dito yung app settings. Okay, so in the next step, so dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung settings and then scroll down ka lang. And next step, makikita mo dito yung reset. So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang dito yung repair at wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And next step, so if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset and then makikita mo dito yung notifications na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset at wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. And after natin ma-complete yung reset procedure and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung searching window. So scroll down lang tayo and then makikita mo dito yung searching window, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa searching windows and then scroll down ulit at dito lang sa related settings and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Indexer Troubleshooters. Okay, so click mo lang yan and wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems. Alright, and next step, so after completing and makikita mo na dito yung search and indexing. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-select kung ano yung problem or issue and error yung kailangan natin i-fix. Okay, so nandito yung mga option natin na pwede mong i-select. And the next step, so select mo lang dito yung can start a search or see results. So check mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung next. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems. Right, so after dito, and then next step, so close lang natin yan. And then close. So dito lang sa start menu and then dito lang sa restart, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix settings search bar not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.